you're excited and trying to take a shot, it's easy to switch from horizontal to vertical view. And sometimes you get some amazing horizontal photos. But how do you use those in an Instagram reel that's vertical? Let me show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a content creator and social media marketer for impact-driven organizations. If you want to learn how to work with me, please visit my website, wonderfulida.ca. So you have a bunch of horizontal photos like this, including this one, which is right there. I love it. It's one of my favorite places. And you want to turn them into an Instagram reel. So if I were just to go over to Instagram and to make a new reel and just add them as they are, you can see that it's going to show up like this, and it's just going to have the photo in the middle, and then it's going to have black on both sides. And we don't really want that. We want the photo to take up the entire space. So we have a few options here. So first of all, you can click on the photo, go to edit video, click on the photo, and then you can use the crop button to zoom in on the video. So what this will do is allow you to have just a portion of that photo show up. So say that's the one I want to use. I can do that for all of these and then press crop. This is like the easiest way to do it, but you can see as I do this, it like gets rid of the quality of it. So it's a little bit more blurry. Let's do it to the last one as well. So I'm going to click on it, and you have to make sure that you have the right one selected, because if you don't, then it's not going to have that crop button on the bottom unless you see the yellow around. See, if I have nothing selected, if I have none of these selected, what are you doing, Instagram? If I have none of these selected, you won't see that crop button appear on the bottom. So you got to make sure it's selected, and then crop, and then just zoom in with your fingers to a portion. It does still limit what part of the video you can use, but what you could do on top of this is add the full photo on top of it. What we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and we're going to see when the menu comes up here on top, you're going to click that photo, and then you're going to click on the photo. I think this is the first one. Yeah, there you go. So then it's going to allow you to put that photo in there, and then you can edit your video so that you have the different photos for the different parts. So as I have this one, it's going to have that photo in there. Just make sure that it's lined up. So to make sure it's lined up, just put it right in the middle to where you want it, and then move that indicator line. And you can see it's a little distracting with that back photo. So what I could do, let's go back, let's pause this, is I can click on this photo and then crop a little bit more. And you want to crop it a lot, just so it doesn't have many like distracting features on it, so it features just the photo. So there you go. You have a different background. So this is one way you can add a horizontal photo. Another way is to just completely redesign it. So you can use different apps to do this, so different photo editing apps. So a thing you can do in Canva is once you add the photo, you're going to go into your effects, and then you're going to scroll over to Magic Extend, and you're going to want to extend it for the whole page, Magic Extend, and then it's going to work its little magic, and it's going to create a new image for you that is vertical. So let's see what it creates for us. That's interesting. It's going to give you multiple options. Oh, that's cool. And if you don't like any of them, you can just keep generating new results until you find something that you like. I don't know why it added text randomly to this one. That looks interesting. And so if you don't like any of those, you just cancel out of there. What else you could do is you could duplicate this and then set one as your background. Set as background. So we have the image in the background, and then we can adjust the image. There, we can adjust the transparency of the image, and then just reduce it, and then align it so that it doesn't take up too much of that space of it. So let's just click on it and just adjust it to which part of it we want. We can also zoom in, so it's just a section of it. like that. And then you can see the image is now made vertical, and now I can save this and then add it to Instagram Reels. Another cool idea of what you could do is you can screen record it so that you can show some kind of effect. So basically what you would be doing is looking at your image, and then you can zoom in. You can zoom in, and then you can like move your image and record a video as you're moving your image. And then you can upload that as a video into your Instagram Reels. If you have any reel questions you want me to answer, please leave them in the comments so I can answer them in a future video. Till next time, peace!